Good morning. It has been so long since I've picked up the camera. It feels a little bit weird if I'm being honest. I decided to go ahead and take myself on a date today and see the sunrise, but I'm cracking up because there's no sun right now. This has happened to me before one time when I came with Ronaldo, and then the sun is just so freaking gloomy right now, and the noise you hear is because there's like a little boat passing by. So gloomy. There's light, but there's no sun. That's fine though. But let's go ahead and show you what I did on Saturday, and then I'll jump right back in. I came to Costco just for these things. We got chicken, strawberries, and broccoli. Now let's go ahead and finish our other errands. When I tell you that like 99% of the time I have the bad luck of getting a bad cart, like why me? But I need some of the Fairlife milk, 2 of these, all these yogurts, but they don't have the lactose free one, so I'm gonna skip on that. We're gonna get some dairy free Parmesan cheese, some spinach, some protein pasta. I need to get some red sauce for my pasta, but I'm just like mind fucked, you can say. For example, 70 calories for this basic tomato basil one. Then you have this organic one, portobello mushroom. You look at the back, 45 calories, and it has less sodium too. I'm gonna save myself some calories and get this one. Lastly, I'm gonna get some chia seeds. I'm trying to fill up his food while I'm watching Bob's Burgers. I ended up taking like a small little nap in my car, but not really. It was more like I closed my eyes because after reading for a little bit, I ended up getting, tired, like sleepy. And yeah, but I've been up since like 4 a.m. It is almost 8 a.m. and that's when the cafe opens. The cafe where I'm going to be going actually is literally 4 minutes away from the place that I go to watch the sunrise. So I think it's just really funny because I didn't even like bother to look that up before actually, going. So good thing I left early from the beach because it's hard to find parking out here. They don't, like, that cafe does not have like their own parking stuff, and in Long Beach it's always hard to find parking. Anyways, I'm gonna go over there now. We are now gonna be running errands. I am in front of Whole Foods now in Long Beach. I'm very stubborn. I was not able to find the lactose-free yogurt yesterday, and I'm hoping that I'll find it here. So let's see. Found the dairy section, but now let's see if I found what I needed. I found a different kind. Found this one, so I'm hoping that will do. Not me walking out of here with balloons. Apparently it's like someone's birthday at my mom's job, and she called me asking for me to deliver ice cream balloons and stuff, so that's what I'm doing. Really do be forgetting to vlog, but I got the ice cream and I got myself some roses because why not? I'm waiting for my mom to get out so that she can get the stuff, but while I was driving I noticed, like, I have my windows down right now so you won't see it anymore, but because I could only really see from like my side mirrors because the balloons are in my way. I noticed there was like a purple thing and I was like, what is that? And then I realized it was latex, so another balloon popped. So I'm like, that was not my fault because that happened while I was in Smart and Final. But I'm so hot, my AC doesn't work, poor people problems. So I've been having to drive with like my windows up, so I was like sweating. I patted my face down right now. Of course I know I'm wearing a sweater, but I haven't shaved my armpits. Anyways, mom, hurry up, go out to use the restroom. Now my neighbor's blasting music. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Pero, okay, I already know I had a cafecito, but I need another one. So if you know me, you know that I work best when I have a list to break down things. I cannot do like go with the flow. It's really hard for me to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a list of everything I need to get done today. And I know it's gonna be a little bit hard because ya está bien tarde. It is 1:17. I have to meal prep. I have to finish doing laundry. I have to clean my room, put away my clothes. And a lot more. Everything just seems a lot more extra, if you know what I mean. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. And I for sure have to drink a lot of water because this is my second cafecito del día. I freaking love me some iced coffee. By the way, did you guys know that Starbucks on Tuesdays is 50% off on iced coffees? Hey, my drink is normally like $7 and it was like $3 something, which was amazing. Now that we're meal prepping, I'm gonna start off with breakfast. For breakfast, I'm gonna be having overnight oats. It's gonna be kind of like strawberries con crema. So let's get to it. The oats I'm using is this one. This is, you know, the old-fashioned one, and it's half a cup, meaning 40 grams. I personally like to measure my stuff than doing with the cups if possible. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I only want to do 1. I don't want to do too much. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I cut up 4 strawberries. 1 tablespoon of lechera, aka condensed milk. Now I'm gonna add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of this dairy-free yogurt. I have my grams measure over here going. So in total, it's about almost 70 grams. Lastly, I'm gonna add half a cup of this Fairlife 2% lactose-free milk. Oh my gosh, this milk is good. And it does not hurt my tummy, so this is amazing. And voila, this is my overnight oats. I know it does not look that appetizing right now, but overnight, the milk is gonna soak up and it'll be more like a pudding consistency or so. The way that I see it, it's kind of like eating cereal, but a healthier version. I did a thing. I had strawberries left over and I couldn't let them go to waste, so I made myself an alcoholic drink. Okay, so it's like almost 3 shots of cazadores. I did like strawberry puree. You can say I just smashed some of it, put the tequila, shook it, poured it over, you know, less than sugar lemonade. What I mean by that is the Simply Light, you know, because we didn't diet or whatever. And then just ice and a little bit of mint. And then, oh my gosh, wait, hold up. Of course, we had to add the garnish, you know, making it look pretty. I actually have pieces of strawberry all the way in the bottom, little pieces, so I'm a little bit worried. I hope this is not too strong. Oh, that's actually not bad. This is good. This is dangerous, but I deserve it. It is so hot, and then being in the kitchen is just not a good mix. But for lunch, I'm going to be having ground turkey and pasta. So I already have my turkey cooking. I did season it with this Monterey steak seasoning, and I did add some red crushed peppers. I have my pasta cooking over here, so there's that. Pasta is cooked, and I divided it by 5. This is the one that I used, and you can actually get 7 servings out of these, but I only did 5. This is the sauce that I'm going to be using. I'm going to do 120 grams. Now I'm going to use this Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese, which is dairy-free, amazing. And I'm going to do maybe like 10 grams. I'm going to add some spinach, and I know it's going to look really weird right now, but once I microwave it, it's going to be fine. And here we have it, our lunch, which is pasta with ground turkey, spinach, and dairy-free cheese. Let's go ahead and create the Chipotle sauce for the chicken for dinner. I'm gonna use the same yogurt we used for our breakfast, and I do wish that it was plain and no flavor, but you know what, it should be fine. We need 170 grams of this yogurt. Now we're gonna do 60 grams of this Chipotle. If I'm being honest with you, I don't think that that's enough, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. So in total, I'm going to do 90. Now I'm going to put 1 lemon. And now I'm just going to go ahead and have it mixed. So here we go. After it's mixed, it will look like this. Nice, creamy. Dinner is complete. Chicken, brown rice, broccoli, and the Chipotle sauce. I am so close to finishing meal prepping. All I have to do is just boil some eggs, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be having for snacks. So it's going to be 2 boiled eggs. We have this Fairlife protein, which is actually really good. It does not hurt my stomach after drinking this. We have this protein bar, which I'm still not sure if I'll purchase again, because I think this actually hurts my stomach. Sorry, Mom's watching. And then we got some chips. So in total, 2 eggs, this, and this, plus my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's go ahead and put these flowers away, but apparently there's a potion that will help your flowers last longer, so let's do it. I just dropped off my brother to his friend's house, and now on my way home, I feel completely accomplished. I did so much today, but I still didn't finish everything on my list. And when I don't complete everything, I still feel like, in a way, like I failed, and I need to change that mindset, because I don't need to accomplish everything in one day, right? But the thing I didn't accomplish was to clean my room, and that is one of the reasons why I also haven't filmed, because my room has been a mess. My room is my studio, and if it's messy, I can't set up. I lose my creativity. I'm moody. You know, your room is your sanctuary, and I try to keep my room clean, but you know, things happen. I've always been a messy gal, and I try to change that habit, because it's not something that I'm proud of. But yeah, I know I've been MIA for a while. I do want to, you know, film my videos again and do my thing. I've just been pretty confused and lost, honestly. And you guys know that I try to be as transparent as possible. I just feel like it's good to remind people that we're all humans. We all like experience similar feelings, and we get to connect in that way. You know, you see these influencers and they post like the only best versions of themselves, and then you think like, what is wrong with me? Why can I not have their spirit, their happiness and stuff? But it's like, they're not always like that. Life happens. You just have to put up a front. You know, that's what people are used to for influencers. You have to put up a front and, you know, show people how happy you are for XYZ. But life is life. But yeah, I mean, I'm excited to talk to you guys again. And something that you should know is I do still have my accounts active, you can say, like Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, but I decided to take like a social media break, specifically from Instagram. I noticed that I was being extremely distracted. I would be on my phone so much, and I just didn't like that, because then I wouldn't accomplish things. So to kind of just like focus on me, I decided to just delete the app. So like I had deleted Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. I re-downloaded Snapchat for a bit, then deleted it, and then I re-downloaded TikTok, and I still have that. I'm just not really posting. I don't want to like have to worry about posting those kind of things. So I want to get back into my YouTube game, but I'm not planning to get back on Instagram for a bit. I still have my account, but like it's not deleted. I think I'm just gonna get back on maybe in a couple weeks or months or so. I thought it would be a lot harder for me to not be able to get on Instagram, but it's been actually nice, honestly. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, because I'm tired AF. I'm gonna get home and shower and pick out my outfits for the week for working out, and yeah, I need to sleep. I've been up since 4 a.m. and I have to wake up again around 4 a.m. tomorrow to start my work week and my gym life and all that. But anywho, Ronaldo, ven. Say bye, guys. We'll see you next week. Say bye, guys. See you next week.